This is more like it. A little bit of nature, a little bit of peace and quiet. Nice. We'll have an explore in there. Looks like there's a cafe over there. We've got a bit of a drink first, and then we'll go have a look. The serenity. All right, there's the rules. I can stick to all of them. I'm not riding a bike, I won't go fishing, I don't smoke, I don't remember go swimming, I've got no rubbish, I haven't got a tent, I'm not drinking. Oh, there's going to be no canoodling. All right. No aerosols. I won't do any gardening. Excellent. All right. I've got no dog with me. I'm all covered. Let's go. What a beautiful spot, right in the heart here of KL. Nice bit of greenery, hills. It's really nice. Let's see what we find. Not to mention the exercise. I'm going to need a bit of exercise. Oh, this is nice and shaded. Nice and cool. Very peaceful. This is what I needed. I didn't need all that hustle, bustle. A nice calm, a bit of nature. I've got a donut in there to Homer Simpson out. I can have that. I've had some water. I'm not far from the shop there. Get some more water after, so that's good. So quickly they're shaded. Just beautiful, peaceful. People sitting under trees, relaxing. Sit under a tree. There's something else I need to tick off. I need to see the universe again. I need to see the stars. Where I work is out in the middle of nowhere, but the lights are on, and so night time, the stars are washed out, so you don't get to see them. But I want the chance to go and have a look at the universe, see the stars and all their glory and all the movement, because I remember I've seen it before, but a long time ago. So we'll go and check that out one day too. We'll get out in the middle of nowhere, turn the lights off and look up. Yeah, something to add to the list. The list is growing. Beautiful. There's a nice breeze as well. It's a beautiful breeze. It's like a little amphitheatre here. The garden. There's a lot of work goes into this botanical gardens. It's beautiful. A beautiful spot. The historic lake. Wow. It's beautiful. You know, even after these really 3 years of travelling and getting around and seeing different places, I still pinch myself and think, am I really doing this? Am I really getting to sit here in Kuala Lumpur, doing a Homer Simpson, having a donut, and taking in all of this? That's pretty lucky. I'm very grateful for that. Very lucky. But it's made me realise, as time's ticking, you have to live in the now and you have to get things done now. Whatever you're going to do, really do it now. So yeah, it's good I get plenty of time to think. Sometimes that's a bad thing, but I've improved my thinking. I try and think of more positive things now, what I can do as opposed to what I can't do. I think that's the best way to look at life. Look at what you can do and build on that. And then more stuff comes in. I get very philosophical in nature. So what a beautiful spot to be philosophical. It's just perfect here.